Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to study Sieve Erastosthenes method. How can we enlist all the prime numbers from 1 to 100? We'll have to find out all the prime numbers which are existing between the number 1 to 100 using Sieve of Erastosthenes. So this is also called as Sieve's method. This is a very important method that you have studied in your chapter playing with numbers. So let's start. You know that Erastosthenes was a Greek mathematician who has given this method. This is a very simple method which is being used. Now in this, the first step is arrange all the numbers from 1 to 100 in rows of 10. So I have arranged them in the rows of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this how I have written all the numbers from 1 to 100. Now what we are going to study, we are going to take these numbers one by one. Now first step in this is, this 1 is neither prime nor a composite number. So I am putting it in a box because it is not a prime number and it is also not a composite number. Fine, so I am leaving it. So next is 2. In circle 2, we'll have to circle 2 because 2 is a prime number. It has only two factors, 1 and 2 itself. So it's a prime number. And cross all the multiples of 2. So let's cross all the multiples. You know that all the even numbers are the multiples of 2. So I am crossing them, all the even numbers. Now we are done. Now next prime number is 3. Circle 3 and cross all the multiples of 3. So multiples of 3 are 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And 99. 99 is the final number below 100 which comes in the table of 3. Fine, so we are done. So what we have done, first we have taken 1. 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number. Then 2, 3, next prime number is 5. 5 is the next prime number. So I have encircled 5 and strike out all the multiples of 5. Out. Now 7 is the next prime number and strike out all the multiples of 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21. So we have crossed out all of them. Then after 7 we have 11 and all the multiples of 11 should be crossed out. So 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, then 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88 and 99. They are done. After this we have 17. 17 1 ja 17, 17 2 ja 34, then 51. 51 is also gone. Fine. Then 68 and then we have 85 and then we have, okay, done. Then we have 19. 19 2 ja 38, 57, 76. Then we have 95. Done. Then after 19 we have 23. It is 46. After 46 we have 69. 69 is also gone. 93, this is also gone. Then we have after this 29. After 29 we have 31. 31, then 37 is also a prime number. 37. After 37 we have 41 is a prime number, and 43 is a prime number. Then 47 is a prime number, and 53 is a prime number. 59 is a prime number. 61 is a prime number. 67 is a prime number. 71 is a prime number, and 73 is a prime number. What is left? 79 is a prime number. Rest 83 is a prime number. 89 is a prime number, and whatever is left we are going to take up. 97 is a prime number. Fine. So these are the prime numbers we have marked, and less than 100. So how many they are? Total they are 24 prime numbers. Fine. So let's see what we have done. Write all the natural numbers from 1 to 100 in the rows of 10. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Step 3, 2 is a prime number, so circle it. 2 को हमने circle किया था. Circle 2 and cross out all its multiples. Then circle 3, as it is a prime number, cross it all its multiples. Then circle 5, it's a prime number, and cross all its multiples, and continue the same procedure by taking the different numbers, different prime numbers. So you will get this. Fine. So this is how you are going to find out the different prime numbers less than 100. So if you see, 2 is the only even prime number. Smallest odd prime number is 3. Fine. So 2 is the only prime number which is even, and smallest odd prime number is 3, and smallest prime number is 2. These are the few important points. I hope you have understood this method well. Thank you. Thanks for watching.